The firm intent that into my soul enters. No beat can scratch out, nor can any nail a false flatterer whose nasty talk will cost his soul. And since he does not dare to strike with branch or rod, at least in secret where I have no uncle, I'll rejoice in joy in orchard or in chamber. When I think of my lonely chamber, where to my home I know that no one enters, but I have no privacy from brother or from uncle. My every member trembles down to my nail, as does a child who shrinks before the rod. I'm so afraid she'll scorn to hear my soul. I wish she'd take my body, not my soul, and do it secretly within her chamber. It wounds my heart more than a beating with a rod, that where she is, her servant cannot enter. I'll stay as close to her as flesh and nail, and do not fear rebuke by friend or uncle. I never loved the sister of my uncle as I love her. I swear it by my soul, as close as is the finger to the nail. If she pleased, I would be to her chamber. With me the love that into my heart enters can do its will, strong man with feeble rod. Since there blossomed the dry rod one, and from Adam descended nephews and uncles, no love as true as this that my heart enters has ever been, I think, in body or in soul. Wherever she is, in city, square, or chamber, my body too stays nearer than the length of a nail. One the sake of ergot or dry rod is a traditional symbol of the virgin. Arnaut asserts that his love is the truest since the birth of Christ or the creation of Adam. Too, Arnaut plays with the expression most cores, literally my body, but often used as here to mean myself or I. One time, my body takes root in her and nails itself like bark around a rod. To me she is joy's castle, tower, chamber, and I love her more than brother, kinsman, uncle. In paradise I know that twofold joy awaits my soul. If ever for loving, well, anyone there enter three. Arnaut sends his song of nail and uncle for the pleasure of her who has the soul of his rod, to his desire, whom fame in chamber enters.